So there is a lot of buzz about period rash these days. So let us talk about what causes it and how to deal with it in our video today. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. Of late, lot of young girls and also not so young girls are coming to my OP clinic and asking me about this period rash and what to do with it, how to deal with it. For some people, it has started from very first period itself. And for some other people, it has been normal priorly, but then they are facing this issue of period rash or irritation these days. So why is it like this? So this period rash is being facing by lot of young women, wherein they face lot of irritation, redness, rash and even swelling in their intimate area, which is most specifically during periods or immediately post period. So what causes this? Any condition which triggers this bikini area, that is intimate area skin dryness, can lead to period rash. Let it be because of repetitive bikini waxing or shaving or using some chemical creams for hair removal or just using some talcum powders on intimate area. All these things might lead to intimate area dryness, further which might lead to period rash eventually. Or just very basic things like dehydration or nutrition deficiency might also lead to skin irritation and dryness. And nowadays we are also hearing this in women who are almost nearing their 40s, who previously didn't experience any period rash are experiencing it now when they are close to their 40s or above. This might be because in their perimenopausal age, where their hormones are slowly depleting, finally leading to skin dryness and irritation, and here their period pads are causing lot of irritation and finally coming to period rash. Apart from all these things, there is also one very important factor which might lead to period rash, that is vaginal infection. So people who have very minimal grade of vaginal infection, so during their menstrual cycle, that is during their menses, because of the outflow of menstrual blood, along with it the vaginal infected discharge also comes out, and this will lead to vaginal irritation or period rash. And not just this, people who are having repeated vaginal infections, they do lot of home treatments by repetitively using their ointments which have steroids in them. So by using these steroid creams very frequently on your intimate area can make your intimate skin more dry and more rough. And finally, the incidence of period rash has increased so rampantly of late is because of these sanitary napkins which have lot of plastic and chemical gels in them which lead to period rash. So it's highly advisable to use biodegradable sanitary napkins or just shifting to menstrual cup so that it will protect your intimate skin and also safeguard your hormones. So now that you know the different causes of period rash, let's talk about prevention and how to treat this period rash in our upcoming video. So if you want to know more, please comment treatment below so that we will get to know that you are interested. And if you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.